Hello, today we're making bone marrow with garam masala and flaky salt from Nick DiGiovanni's book. First thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 400. First step is we gotta sprinkle some garam masala on top of the bone marrow.
Yeah.
We're going to transfer the bone marrow with the garam masala onto our tray.
Why?
Next step is to add the bone marrow to the oven. Now it's preheated to 400. And you want to throw these in for about 15 minutes. So now we have to test the inside to see if it's soft like we want it to be. Ooh, that's nice and soft, almost like butter. I think they're all ready. Transfer this over onto this board. So now we're sprinkling some of our flaky salt that we made onto the bone marrow. You can add a little bit more to this one.
Go.
This is our finished bone marrow.
2, 1.
So this is our finished bone marrow. It's very buttery. It's really fatty, very buttery, easy to eat, not chewy at all. It's amazing.